Hello, good morning. My name is Mr. Amos Amani Kalume, and I am IR2 teacher trainee from Shanzo Teacher Training College. And in this video or in this tutorial, I need to address a critical issue or a critical problem I have identified in the community. In a community, basically we are dependent on agriculture. Basically the production of fruits, especially the pawpaw fruits. And in pertaining the production of the pawpaw fruits, in the past few years, I have observed that the production of the pawpaw fruits has gone down. And after a keen observation, I have identified there is a problem or there is a challenge concerning the same. And the problem that I have identified is that I have identified that there is limited access to pawpaw planting material in a community. Yes, recently I have interviewed a local farmer who also has confirmed that the planting material of pawpaw are limited in the community. Just consider this video. This is a transcript of an interview with a farmer in the locality. Now, I asked him a question where they are obtaining the planting material. Yes, and on his response, he said that the seeds are not readily available. This means that they have a challenge in obtaining the seeds. Also, I asked them the challenges they do face when looking for the quality planting material, and he said that in the community there are few nurseries who sell the pawpaw. This means that they don't get the planting material because there are few farmers who are engaging in the production of the pawpaw seedling so that they can sell in the community. Also, I asked him a question, and how has this situation affected food production? And according to the response was that the planting material, obtaining the planting material. Now the fact that the planting material are limited has affected the production of the pawpaw planting material, the production of the pawpaw fruits, because the quality planting material are difficult to obtain. Now this is evident that the challenges or the challenge facing the food production in the community, especially the pawpaw, is that there is limited access to those planting materials. Yes, again, I have observed that this problem, which is limited access to the pawpaw planting material, it has come with significant effects toward the production of pawpaw fruits. Now the effect that this problem has brought is that, one, it has reduced the number of farmers who actually do the fruit production in the field. The farmer has left the production of fruit and they have went for another economic activity such as the mining, fishing at the ocean, and they have abandoned the planting of the fruit material which is pawpaw. This is because the planting material or the seedling are limited. Now the second effect which the limited access to the planting material has brought is that it has led to the increase of cost of living. As I have said earlier, is that many farmers or many people in the community depend on the production of fruits. And since we are no longer or we produce limited fruits, is that the farmers or the local farmers, they have nothing to sell in our local markets, so that maybe after they sell, they can obtain money which they can use in pushing their life. This has brought or it has caused them to go in hard time, that they don't have the money to sustain their families, because earlier they had depended on the fruit production to sell them on the market so that they can get money. Now when it comes to the third effect, which this problem also has contributed toward the same, that yes, the third point which this silence has brought into the community or toward the production of the fruit is that it has lowered the rates, or it has made the chances of employment in our community to come down. As I know earlier, many people were, or job opportunities concerning the process of production of the fruits, like opportunities like engaging in activity like weeding, harvesting, and also taking the fruits to the market were available as job opportunities. But nowadays, those opportunities are limited in our community. This is because we as a community, or the farmers in my locality, don't produce the fruit. They are no longer producing the fruit because of the limited access to the planting material. Yes, now to address this problem, I'm suggesting, or I'm proposing to implement a project where I will be raising the seedling, the pawpaw planting material in a nursery, and where I'm aiming to obtain the seed, I'm aiming to extract the seed from ripe and mature pawpaw fruits from a hybrid variety of pawpaw plants. And after they have brought to maturity, or not maturity, but after they have germinated and they have reached a point that they can be transplanted or planted to the seedbed of the actual ground, now I can make them available to the land, to the local farmers, where they can purchase them from the farm at a lower price, rather than them traveling for long distances to acquire the seed. As up to that point, I will have made them available, and they'll be ready to access them and plant them in their shambles.
Now, to show that this project is feasible and it can be implemented, here are the fruits where I extract the seeds of pawpaw from them, which I'll be buying from the market. And also here is the land plus the source of water, where I'll obtain the water for irrigation. I can ensure that there is regular availability of water or moisture to the growing seedlings. Also, I have some bottles where I can use them to pack the seedlings and ready for taking them to the market. Now this is
after implementing, or after I'm done with the project, on my view, I say that this project will come with great impact in the community, in my life, and also in the life of others in the community. Okay. One of the impact that this project, which I suggest it will bring, is that it will make, after successfully raising the seedling in the nursery bed, then the seedling will be accessible to the farmers from the farm, where they will get them and plant them direct farms, and also this will help them save money on their farming activity, rather than them traveling for long distance to acquire the seedling. They will be acquiring the directly from the farm. The second impact that this project, which I'm suggesting, will bring is that, to me, it will serve me as an income generating project. It will enable me to earn some income, which is after I have sold the seedling, I'll be able, as a farmer now, I'll be able to acquire money, which will help me to drive my livelihood. Another impact also that this project will bring is that this project will serve, or it will give an opportunity to the local farmers and the youth in the community, that they will learn the skills, attitude, and knowledge which is required in the propagation of the pawpaw, or in the raising and farming of the pawpaw fruit. They learn all the skills as I will be doing my tasks I will be carrying out by the same management practices. I will be doing the weeding, as I will be doing all the weed control, as I will be doing the harvesting, as I will be doing the billing, all the activities that are necessary there. I will also involve the youth members of the community so that they can get the opportunity to learn them, and also from there they can go, they can grow and practice the skills in their farm. So I think this project is very crucial, and it will bring all those